Simply click Send Registered instead of Send to send your email through RMail. The e-sign-off service allows you to collect signatures via email. The recipient only needs to follow the instructions of the email they receive. A secure web platform lets you review and sign the document. Write and place your signatures across the document and fill out other information with free text. Once you are done, simply click Finish at the top right hand corner of the page and enter your data to confirm your signature. You can either select an automated signature image or draw one with your mouse. With your signature, you confirm that you agree with the content of the signed document. All parties receive a copy of the signed document into their inbox.